Yay! Welcome to Sparkle on Substack. My name is Claire Venus. I thought I would just do a bit of a tour so you guys can navigate exactly what is here inside of the publication. There are loads of resources for free subscribers. There are even more for members. I've been running the publication since 2023, so there is so much here. So I'm just going to give you a bit of a guided tour so you can navigate around. I do update these every now and again, so hopefully things don't look too different your end on Substack. That's always the question. So from your Substack home feed, you want to be heading inside of Sparkle on Substack. So you can always find this via the URL. So it's sparkleon.substack.com. It'll also be in your subscriptions if you want to navigate to your subscriptions. So this video will replace this hero post here. So if you want to find it again, it will be positioned here. This is the hero post space, the space where we can catch attention from people who are stopping by. If you're brand new to Substack, you want to go here. This is your quick start, your Substack guide and roadmap to set up your publication ready to meet your ideal reader. And the ideal reader part is a big part of the work that we do inside of Sparkle on Substack. We figure out who we are as writers, as creatives who also write, as business owners that are writing on Substack, and then we put our work out in the world and we find the meeting point between that and the audience. I call that audience alchemy because I'm a big fan of magic. If you hadn't yet noticed, here at Sparkle on Substack, it's all about staying connected to your unique magic. So you can have a little scroll around here. There's this quite strange YouTube video. Don't get me wrong, I wouldn't usually have one like this, but the algorithm really likes this video, so I just mix up the thumbnails on it and try different things and see what works on YouTube. It's had over 16,000 views. Then you've got some workshop invites if you want to write your about page with us, your welcome emails outside with us, or if you want to understand how Substack works and you're sharing it on other platforms, you can have a little read there. And then you can scroll on down and just read a little bit more about what is inside of Sparkle on Substack and how I set things up. So there's always so much to get your head round, I think, when you come to a new platform. So I just wanted to give you that quick start guide. If you set up your Substack correctly, your handle, your publication, your URL, and then you look at your welcome emails and your about page, you're all set. You don't have to write essays, you just have to do that quick invite so that people who subscribe know that they're in the right place. If you do want to come inside of the membership, I've made it really clear how you find everything. So you'll find all of the replays inside of here, which is the membership tag. So you'll be able to navigate through if you miss something and catch up and find all of the guest posts there. There's also an A to Z library. So say if you were looking like, okay, I need to make my Substack publication more accessible, make sure the contrast is right. If you wanted to write your about page, if you wanted to create a word mark, if you wanted to look at auto emails, branding, boost, there's everything in here. So it goes all the way down, A through to Z. You should find absolutely anything that you need about Substack in here. I keep it up to date. So that is a good place to start. You will be able to see some of those posts if you're not subscribed as a paid member, just so you know. The portal is for Diamond members. So my Diamond members get access to a course called Your Beautiful Digital Magazine and a program suite to help them monetize on Substack. We also meet monthly for monthly hot seats so that I can help them. So they can click into the portal and then they can find any related posts or any replays when we've done a hot seat session. So that's what that is. We've got a live list of calls. If anybody is looking for, okay, where do the live calls live? How will I find them? I do 2 a month, one at 9:30 a.m. UK time, which suits the Europeans, the Australians and the New Zealand folk. And then another one at 3 in the afternoon UK time, which tends to be more suitable for my American and Canadian friends. The perks here, in terms of member perks, there are extra perks that you get. So you can head in as a paid member and you can unlock all of these. Some of them are diamond level things, but most of them are for any paid member. So there's classes, courses, a Substack audit if you're a diamond member, loads of gorgeous stuff. And then you can head into the members chat if you want to meet other people. You simply press join chat and then that'll pop you up in there and you'll be able to post and say hello to anybody who is live online at that point. Ask any questions that you've got, any of that good stuff. I'll take you back into Sparkle on Substack and just show you another couple of things. I've been writing on here for a while, so there are some specific sections. If you want to make money on Substack and you want to just read a ton of posts, use my Substack calculator, all of that stuff, it's all here. If you want to have a look at just some quick tips, sometimes you're like, oh, I haven't got much time. I just want to have a look. These are some notes that I wrote that contain quick tips, so you can have a scroll through there. And then I've got my Creative Growth Lab where I interview creators, writers, people who are using this platform creatively and figure out from them how do they want to use it going forward sustainably, joyfully, all of that good stuff. The last one, Substack for Business Owners, is my space where I really invite business owners to think about how a low ticket Substack subscription fits with their ecosystem. You can go into the archive if you feel like you've missed a post. This is all in chronological order. You can use the search bar and type the word notes if you want to see all of the videos and the posts that I've written around notes, or anything else that you want to search for should come up if you use that search bar. If you do need to drop me an email, the best way to do that is just to type in support@creativelyconscious.co.uk, and that will get to me, and then you'll be able to figure out whatever it is you need if you don't know whether you want to join the membership or you want to buy a course. If you do want to head to my website and check out my offers, the link is there. If you do want to buy my book, How to Build a World-Class Substack, the link is there. You can get the book wherever you get your books, either in paperback or ebook. Yeah, it's available and it's a really helpful guide. I wrote it with a guy called Russell Noelty, and we wrote it in 2024, but it's still all completely relevant. There's a couple of updates Substack have made, but again, I've got posts on those. So I hope that is helpful in terms of an air hostess tour of go here, do this, go there. I absolutely love hosting space for community on Substack. It's one of my all-time favorite things to do. I did work in festivals and events before the pandemic. I was very close to burnout when I fell pregnant with my daughter in the pandemic, and then I was diagnosed with COVID just before I gave birth to her. So it was a whole set of everything falling away to birth a new reality. I love working online. I think it's so rewarding. As an introvert and a neurodivergent midlife woman, I feel like I can manage my energy with the internet. I can show up and meet beautiful people from all over the world. And that's my hope, if you're ready to do that too, that you can. Just noticed I've got paint on my hands. I've been doing some projects out in the garden. Thank you all for tuning in. And if you need anything at all, you know that me and my team will be so happy to support you. I will see you hopefully really soon over on Substack somewhere.